We are the Oregon Dental Association.
Committed to our communities and our patients, we keep Oregon smiles bright.
Through our collective strength and individual talent, we are Oregon's leading voice for oral health issues.
But what have we done for you lately?
The Oregon Dental Association advocates for legislation protecting the practice of dentistry in Oregon and champions oral health issues in Salem.
During the 2011 legislative session, Oregon Dental Association entered into mediation with dental stakeholders to discuss ways to improve access to care.
During the mediation process, the Oregon Dental Association believed that multifaceted barriers to access require multifaceted solutions. Simply creating a new dental professional is not the only answer.
Through the mediation process, we created Senate Bill 738, and although we know it won't overcome all of the barriers to access to care, the language of the bill promises that any new program will focus on improved oral health outcomes.
The 2012 legislative session marked Oregon's first attempt to meet annually. Even with the short session, we were able to make great progress advancing the oral health care for Oregonians. By showing that dentists care and are willing to be at the table, the Oregon Dental Association continues to lead the conversation around oral health issues.
Because of our hard work and advocacy on House Bill 4128, insurance companies are now required to cover medically necessary orthodontic and dental services for our patients with craniofacial conditions such as cleft lip and palate. Sitting down with insurance companies, legislators, and families, dentists help to prevent the cost of care from being too much to bear for these Oregon families.
With the passage of Senate Bill 1509, out-of-state dentists and hygienists in good standing with their home licensing board can now apply to the Oregon Board of Dentistry for a temporary license to do volunteer charitable work, like Oregon's Mission of Mercy. And despite a $350 million budget shortfall, Oregon's Medicaid dental coverage was left intact.
All dental disease is preventable. In 2013, the Oregon Dental Association will present the Oral Health Initiative, which outlines 5 steps for lawmakers to improve the oral health of all Oregonians. Further, the initiative focuses on oral health care, education, as well as preventive care.
To ensure that the Oregon Dental Association maintains influence and continues not only to thrive but grow, the House of Delegates and Board of Trustees have been discussing new ideas regarding governance, management, and other strategies that will enable our association to capitalize on these changing times.
ODA works hard to communicate with our members how they like to be reached. We're now on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And in addition to our association newsletter, Membership Matters, we have ODA Insider, our e-newsletter, which is conveniently broken into tabs to help you navigate to the information that most interests you. And with our redesigned website comes the launch of our new blog, thetoothofthematter.org, where each week we'll discuss new oral health topics interesting to both patient and dentist.
We hosted the 2nd annual Mission of Mercy in Portland this year during Thanksgiving week, increasing the patients that we saw to over 2,000 and giving away over $1.2 million of free dental care over those 2 days. In addition, we had 15 legislators and 1 congressman come to check out our clinic. This enabled us to show off the oral health needs of the citizens of Oregon.
In keeping with our original plan to alternate mom projects between Portland and communities outside the metro area, the 2012 Mission of Mercy will be held in Medford, Oregon, September 13 through 16. 3 of our component societies, Southern Oregon, Klamath Falls, and Rogue Valley, are co-sponsoring this event. We hope that you'll consider traveling south to Medford in September and volunteering for the 2012 Mom Project.
Our annual Oregon Dental Conference continues to be a success by attracting dental professionals all across Oregon and its surrounding states. We are celebrating our 15th year at the Oregon Convention Center and have over 70 speakers presenting 90 continuing education courses and have 235 exhibitors at our trade show hall.
ODA staff and leadership work hard on your behalf, advocating for the highest quality oral health care for all the citizens of Oregon. An active, growing membership is vital to our continued success. Please share the benefits of ODA membership with your colleagues and ensure a bright future for our organization. We couldn't do it without you. From all of us here at the ODA, thank you.
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 Thank you.